Hello again. Now we are can configure two phones or two soft phones through two machines. You can configure a call manager of CUCM or call communication manager to configure hard phones or soft phones. As I don't have any hard phones, so I will using soft phones with two machines, Windows 7 or XP. I changed it to Windows 7 and install on it IP communicator, Cisco IP communicator. I have two machines like this. We can this is a soft phone Cisco IP communicator. I will close it. I install the IP communicator in the two machines and will operate as two phones. I have two phones, so it's a first after Cisco IP communicator installation, it will ask the setting of sound, then the TFTP server. Okay, TFTP server is a call manager or CUCM, Cisco call manager. It's the configuration should be added. It's very important information and should be noted to configure it on a CUCM web page. It's the MAC address of the soft phone or the machine or a Windows, and it will be the same on hard phone, the MAC address or serial it should be using to configure the hard phone to be configured on CUCM, and TFTP is the call manager IP. So you can add it manual or can detect it through DHCP. You can push the TFTP file or TFTP server through DHCP if you configure the DHCP to be working. So it's the first Windows or first soft machine or soft phone, and the other one is 112. Okay, the same. I install it also the IP communicator. Yes, it's the design of the Cisco IP communicator. You can go to from here preferences, networking, the same as the last machine. Okay, the MAC address of the machine, or you can specify the name if you wanted to name it as a phone. It's phone 2, and the other one it will be phone 1. Okay, first of all you can log into CUCM. That IP address was 105. Okay, and click on Cisco Unified Communication Manager. First of all, to be able to configure any phones to be added and the features of call manager, you should first it is first page of CM administration. Here you can go to the OS administration like CLI or SSH window, and you can access with OS credential. So and reporting and recovery for a backup. So I will go to as a Cisco Unified Serviceability to be able to enable some service. You can log in with administrator of a web page credential, and that we added in the setup or deployment. I logged in serviceability. Okay, you can go here, tools, surface activity, and enable the surface that will be using during your system or production or lab uh, like this. Okay, when you first log into this web page, it will be all surface deactivated. So you should activate it. Just click on it and save, and it will be activated. If you need to deactivate some surface, you can deactivate it. I enable all the surface that uh, will help us in future configuration, and it will load your host. So you just need to enable the used surface like Cisco TFTP, for sure Cisco Call Manager, IP, Voice Media Streaming, CTI Manager, DHCP if you wanted to enable DHCP monitoring. Also the the Cisco CAR web service that will enable the CDR Surface XL for integration with other bulk provisioning and so on. Okay, enable the needed Cisco TIR sync for LDAP users. So enable you want from Surface. I enable to all Surface to help us and not restrict us in any point. I will back to CM administration web page. It will ask for administration or administrator credential as we enter it in serviceability web page, so it's redirect us to here. This is the main page, so we can go to phones, have many tabs and many configuration to be configured. So for register to be register phone, we entered in device phones to find the phones that's configured, the no phones configured. I will add one. Okay, you can add your type of hard phone, or for us now we will use the softphone. It's IP communicator. So and another software phone, it's Cisco Jabber. You can deploy it. So for now I will configure Cisco IP communicator, and I will type next. It says the protocol of the phone. It should be a SIP phone or a skinny or SCCP phone. So we will use SCCP protocol. So next, it asks for a device name that a MAC address. So we are using a specific. You can type copy this MAC address and type it, and it will be registered. So I will specify the name of the phone. For a hard phone, you should enter the MAC address of the hard phone. For the soft phone, I will type a phone one, okay, and the TFTP. It will be the IP address of call manager. It's 105, right? Okay, and phone one, okay. I will click OK. It will be not registered till we add it. Okay, here phone 2 105. Okay, so it trying to register, but no registration till we end the configuration. We will enter phone 1. Okay, phone 1. Okay, and many options and the configuration should be added. So for mandatory, it should add a device pool, and we can talk in device pool later. Also, phone template, it's IP communicator, so we will select standard IP communicator with a skinny or SSCB, that is, and soft key, it will be a standard also, and no, not needed now. Okay, if we click on save, it will ask for the mandatory options. It's the owner user ID and the device security profile. Okay, we can owner of the production will be anonymous, and security, device security profile. You can find security profile, device security profile. We will use the Cisco IP communicator standard, not secure. Also save it, apply. Okay, saved. We have for now. So we'll add a line. Line is a number. You should be direct or dial or with this number. Let's talk later about the dial number. I will add it as 101. No option, no root, no partition, no CSS. It will be saved, and another one to be saved. Okay, add successfully. To click to save the configuration. I will back to the phone device. Now phone added, registration unknown, not added now till we save. Okay, save. Okay, apply configuration. Okay, and back. Okay, phone one. It's configured on the call manager. Now go to the phone itself, minimize, performance, network, phone one, IP. Okay, let's restart this soft phone to get the configuration. Double click, check the configuration, the entity FTP server. Okay, it have the same IP of the machine. Now it's get the TFTP file and get the configuration. Okay, it's trying to register. Now we have a phone now. Trying to find the phone now. Okay, updating, registered. Now we have a phone one. Now if we click on new call, you can hear the dialing tone. Now we have a phone. Great. Okay, another one for the another soft phone. Open the configuration. Okay, here we can make a copy of this for all configuration. Just change the phone name. It's a Mac also, so save it. Okay, save the phone, add at the end like your phone number. Okay, it's 112.1002, and have a two phones now. Double click to save it. Back. Okay, save. Okay, apply. Okay, now we have a two phone now. One is registered with this IP, and phone 2. Go to the soft phone machine. It's asking for a sound. Okay, sound play. We have sound. It's a testing for the sound. Finish. Okay. Performance, network, phone, TFTP. Okay, exit it and reopen to get the TFTP configuration. Okay, now trying to find the TFTP, and now it catched it and downloaded the configuration from TFTP and will be available now. Okay, register updating. We have another phone dialing tone. We can make a calls now from one phone to another. Okay, just okay, 1002 dial, have a call. That's great. Okay, it's first configuration of have two phones. Answer call and call from here. Call another phone. Have another call in the other side. Answer the call. We make a call now from two phones and configure two phones to be able to call each other. So many features, many configuration, many planning, many tabs should be discussed later. Okay, we are building now the Cisco lab or collaboration lab. We installed the DNS and the two machines and the call manager for configuration or configuring the phones. It's the IPT telephony configuration servers. It's called CUCM, Cisco Unified Communication Manager. So keep in touch, and I will make another video later for a new features. So see you soon.